Hey y'all, Zach with Real Property Associates here. I wanted to give a quick update for the month of October. I guess we're looking at numbers from September, so this is like a September update in October since that's when we get our numbers. Anyways, for the month of September, the median sales price in the city of Seattle was $605,000, and just for perspective, that's the lowest since the month of January, which was just under $6,000. Overall for the year, we're seeing a median sales price around $620,000. So September was definitely a little bit of a slower month. And part of the contributing factors to this, I'll put a few of them out there. Number one, inventory has been increasing, and by increasing I mean it's better than it was last year, but it's still not extremely high. So we're still seeing multiple offers. We're still seeing prices going over the asking price, 102% on average of the sales price, so that's 2.5% roughly over the asking price on each sale. But what we are seeing is the demand is maintaining, so we're not seeing a decrease in demand, but we are seeing a little bit more supply in the market, which does lend itself to a more level playing field. And ultimately, Seattle's been growing at a crazy rate. We've seen 10, 11, 12% over the last few years, so it makes sense if it cools off a little bit, but it's so hard to predict. It's so hard to say, oh yeah, it's gonna grow 6% or 8% or 4%. So at this point, a lot of Zillow itself is predicting 7-8% for next year in most neighborhoods. Each neighborhood's a little different, but we're expecting to see growth like we've seen over the last few years. But at this point in the month of September, we did have a little bit of a slowdown in the summer, a little bit of it seasonal as well. So I'll hit a little bit more detail on where we're at in the market, some of the other contributing factors in the quarterly market update. But I wanted to give you this one here just for a little bit of a shorter video. So thanks for tuning in.